Sometimes messes sneak up on us, and whether it is a busy morning or a busy weekend, today join me as I restore my home from chaos back to calm. There are two things that I love to do when I am about to start a big reset. The first one is I write a really detailed list. That way if I get interrupted or if I can't complete everything in one day, it's okay. I can come back wherever I left off to a new space tomorrow. My second favorite thing is to start a load of laundry. It's usually pretty quick and easy, and it makes you feel like you've already done something, and while that washing machine is working, you can continue cleaning. If your reset feels a little bit more daunting than mine does, please don't lose heart. The same things that I am doing today, you can try in your home no matter how overwhelmed you feel. Tackling these jobs one thing at a time will always make a big difference. Clearing off counters and tackling those functional spaces first is always my go-to method when you're feeling overwhelmed. These things will give you the biggest victory, and once those places are reset, it makes it so much easier to move on to those smaller spaces. To add one deep cleaning job each time I'm cleaning a space. This just means I'm not left to do it all on one day. It makes it so much more manageable, and then they are little pieces of time rather than huge hours of cleaning. One of the biggest reasons I find my house feels chaotic is often just because there are a lot of little things that are not in their home, and I have found the best way to combat this is by using a basket. I take it along with me, and then I can just replace the items when I get to their home. There are some rituals that are by no means necessary but just bring joy to my heart. One of my favorite things to do is to use my vacuum cleaner to fluff up my rug, and although it's a little bit time consuming and not necessary at all, I love having a fluffy rug just to remind me of the jobs that I have achieved today. I feel like my camera never does justice to how gross my floors sometimes feel. We have had weeks of rain here, and so my floors just feel sticky and wet all the time. But a good vacuum and then a nice hot mop has left them feeling clean and reset once again. Because of all of that wet weather, I have had clothes drying all over the house. So this was a great opportunity for me to consolidate all of those items, put them back to where they belong, and reset this room so it was usable once again. One of the best things about resetting your home is it often reminds us of those little areas of our life where our systems are letting us down. I am just setting up this hook for all of my daughter's sleep masks, and it's just a great opportunity to set something up that will make things stay organized a little bit longer.